Oh, I'm a baby. I'm 4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you want for your birthday breakfast?
I like hash brown.
Hash brown. Okay, ready to go to your party?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mom. Let's go.
Let's go. Whoa! Woo! Birthday to you. Rogero, for your 4th birthday party, do you want bowling or play gym?
Bowling.
Bowling, okay. And what kind of cake do you want?
I want cake.
Okay, do you want McQueen?
Yeah.
You know you're turning 4 soon, eh?
Yeah.
And Mommy's got to plan a birthday party for you.
Yeah.
What's the birthday boy drinking?
I'm drinking milk.
Can I see it? Show Mommy. Oh, Mommy made it for you?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Banana milk.
Banana milk.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rogero. Happy birthday to you. And many more. God bless you today and always. Mommy loves you.
Yeah.
Are you happy it's your birthday?
I'm going to get McQueen cake.
You're going to get a McLean cake. You're going bowling. You're going to go for breakfast. You're going to get presents. It's going to be so fun.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
How old are you today?
I'm 4 years old.
Yes, my baby. You're 4 years old. Birthday to you. Mommy and Daddy love you. We're so proud of you. We love you, Rogero. Happy birthday to you.
That's baby Raj.
Yeah? I am baby. I'm 4. Oh, I'm a baby. I'm 4.
You're not a baby anymore. You're 4?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay, Raj.
I can brush my teeth.
So it's baby Raj's birthday today. How old are you today, Pops?
I'm going to get you a present.
You're gonna get new present. That's all he's interested in.
Rog.
So guys, it's Roger's birthday celebration today. And that's what we're about. You know, yeah, take piece idea for him. Because I know it's been special. Play a vital role with us as family. And with even you guys love him so much too, right? So yeah, we're gonna celebrate a little with him today. And yeah, just show him some love, man. Show him some love in the comment section.
And now put my seatbelt on.
Good job.
I'm gonna keep presents for.
I know you want presents, Papa. I know that. What do you want to eat for breakfast? What do you want to eat? Do you want eggs or hash brown or toast?
Hash brown.
Hash brown? Okay. So guys, when we woke up this morning, it was pouring rain, and Rogero said, "Mommy, I want to go on my scooter." And I said, "Only if it clears up, because we're not going out in the rain." And it is birthday wish. He gets his birthday wish. Mommy's gonna take you out on your scooter after when we get home, okay?
Yeah.
Because the sun came out.
Yeah.
Your birthday wish came true.
Yeah, the sun came out.
Yeah. Here's the birthday boy. Give me a smile. We're going to Ricky's for breakfast.
What do you see? They just like grandson. How old are you?
How old are you, right?
Same age as my grandson. Same age.
What do you want for your birthday breakfast? Hash brown. Hash brown and ketchup?
Yeah.
You love your hash brown and ketchup? Yeah. You want apple juice?
Yeah.
It's your birthday. You get to decide. Yeah.
Subscribe for the channel. Please like fun. Bye. And I would do, and I love ketchup. I'm not a baby. I'm 4 years old.
You're not a baby anymore. You're 4?
Yes.
Oh my god, my baby my sweet boy is getting so big. You getting so big?
Daddy,
Huh?
big glass slides.
Oh, you playing your game, watching slides? It's not a baby. It's not a baby anymore, guys. What am I going to do? Y'all cherish these moments. They don't last for long.
They grow up so fast.
Okay, you put in your own ketchup?
Yeah, I'll put my own ketchup.
Okay, go for it. Put your own ketchup, Mama. Okay, good boy.
Good.
Wait, make Daddy put it up for you. Here you go, Pops.
Yes, my love.
Here you go, Raj.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Okay, get something out of the chest over here. Right here, look. Do you know how to open it? There you go. All right, what are you going to get? Anything good in there or no? The last time we were here, he got a car. What about one of the dinosaurs, no? They need to get some new toys. Let Mommy see what you got. Oh, you got like a little rattle. Okay. All right. Good job. Let's go.
Bye.
Oh, good job.
Okay, bye. Have a good birthday, okay?
Say thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're very welcome. I gotta give you a food.
Daddy going to buy you some presents. Going to buy some presents for his birthday. Nice. Daddy got new shoes? Ooh.
Mommy,
Which one do you have at home? You.
It looks like a soccer ball.
Yeah, you have a ball home, honey.
Alright, just you one.
Take it out.
Okay, take it out.
Is that what you want for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, grab it then. Let's go. Oh, let's put these back first. Can we put that down and put these back first? Good boy. No, gentle, gentle.
Okay, I'll do it.
Good job. Okay. Let's go show Daddy what you want. Say, this is what I want for my birthday, Daddy.
Okay, also, Daddy, what's
Okay.
Daddy?
Where's he at? Let's see. Let's try. Oh, there he is. Keep going down. He's down here. Keep going. He's down here.
Down here? Daddy, you buy something.
That's what you want?
Red, green, and yellow.
Okay. Alright, then we'll get it for you, okay?
Yeah.
Alright,
Now, 8, 7, 5, 4.
Daddy's buying you some birthday presents.
Yeah, birthday present.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. No wonder you wanted that. Look how cool that is. This is what Mommy's getting him.
Wait on us, okay? Get some new toys? Did you get some new toys?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
First, I want to wish you a happy birthday again. Okay? But Daddy have something to tell you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be your party later, but Daddy have to go to work, okay?
Yeah.
So Daddy is not gonna be able to make it to your party, okay?
Yeah.
But I wish you all the best, and I wish that you have fun, and Daddy will definitely make it up to you, okay?
Yeah.
We went out and have fun this morning,
Yeah.
so I'm happy with that, and I know you're happy too, okay?
Yeah.
But Daddy's not gonna be able to make it.
Mommy thought Daddy was working 7 to 3. I'm the one that screwed up, guys. It was all my
I
fault.
love you though.
Love you.
Give Daddy one kiss. Give Daddy one hug. Oh, I love you.
I love you.
You're gonna have some fun?
Yeah.
You're gonna have some fun later?
Yeah.
Okay, definitely, I believe so.
Whoa. Is that what you got for your birthday? Cool. Oh my goodness, Rogero. So nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Woo!
The mouse truck. The mouse truck. Oh, the white mouse truck.
Tell Mommy all the colors.
Baby.
Show Mommy the colors. Tell Mommy the colors.
Red, green, yellow, blue.
Yes! All kinds of monster trucks. Show Mommy how you balance on one foot. Okay, don't hold on though. Good job. Okay, other foot.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other foot.
yeah.
1, 2. Don't hold on. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! You got your helmet?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on.
Mommy.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rogero.
How
old are you now?
How old are you?
How old
I
4 years old.
Yes, good job. You're 4 years old.
Uh,
So big. Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday.
say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Tell mommy you love her and blow her a kiss. Tell mommy you love her and blow her a kiss.
I'm going to kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
I love you. Bye, Mommy.
I love you too. Okay, you're gonna go for scooter now.
Yeah.
All right, be safe, okay? Give
Yeah.
mommy a kiss.
Mwah.
Yeah. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Be safe.
See you soon.
Love you.
He's so cute.
That was so much fun.
Okay.
Okay, run my food right back.
My heart.
I want to go eat first.
Okay, it's your birthday. You can do whatever you want. You want to go to the playground? You can go to the playground, my love. Where's Ruggiero? There he is! Where is he? Where is he? There he is! I see you! Where's Ruggiero? There he is! Where is he? There he is! There he is! There he is! Be careful.
I'm here.
You're here. I see you. Wow. I need sunglasses. Some vitamin D. Ruggiero has a beautiful day for his birthday. It started off pouring down rain, but it surely cleared up. Oh my goodness. Where is he? There he is. Whee! He loves the playground. What a blessing to have at our apartment building. Wow.
Oh my God. Beautiful. Oh my God.
This little guy.
I gotta ride my scooter. Here, Mom.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, no riding scooter in the house. Well, let me take it off?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Get a line up for his birthday. Got all the treats and everything ready here to take with us. We're getting ready. Balloons. Can't have a party without balloons, y'all.
So you remember what we talked about? That Daddy can't come to your birthday party? Huh? I'm not gonna be able to make it.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Daddy already do what he can do, and Daddy will continue to do what he knows is gonna make Baby Rat happy, okay? So you just go out there, it's your day. Go out there and have enough fun that you can have. Mommy is there to support you. Mommy will be here with you today. And you just make Daddy proud, okay?
Yeah.
And just remember that Daddy loves you so much. And Daddy will always here to play a vital part in Baby Rad's life, okay? So unfortunate that I can't be there. I will not make it because I have work. And they just make a mistake, but you know we'll make it up to you, okay, Raj? Mommy make a mistake. She thought I was in the morning, working in the morning, but I'll be working in the night, so that's the reason why Daddy can't make it, okay, Dada?
Yeah.
So you just ensure that you have enough fun today, and remember Daddy loves you, okay?
Yeah.
Today's your day, alright?
Are you excited for your party?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna have lots of fun. Rogero's all ready for his birthday? Yeah. Look at Mommy! Are you putting on your chapstick? Oh, you're so handsome. Here, look at Mommy and give me a good smile. Look at Mommy. Oh, the birthday boy is 4 years old. Oh. Hey, ready to go to your party?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mom. Let's go.
Let's go.
With the door open.
Here, you take the cart, put all the goodies. Let's go pick up your McQueen cake. Say, see you soon, Sissy.
Sissy Evan.
All right, let's go to the car. Let's go to the birthday party. Rogero, is it your birthday party? Yeah. 4 years old. Oh my goodness. He's so big. Tall, strong, smart, handsome. What number?
Number 1.
Yep. Good job. You're gonna go first this time? Okay. Holy.
Thank you for help, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you for help.
You're welcome, my love. Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to get his cake. Thrifty Foods. So hopefully it looks good. Okay.
I like.
Mommy ordered yours, baby. Look at all the cakes. Whoa. So beautiful. All the pretty cakes. Wow. Look at it. Wow. It's McQueen, hey? Don't know we're going to bring it to the party, okay? Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good boy. Stop when you see a car. Oh, guys, it's so pretty. He's so excited. Okay, here we go to bowling. The party's not for a while, but we gotta go get set up. There is games in here, there's pool in here. So it's kind of, we don't have much in Campbell River, but we have a bowling alley. They serve pizza in here. There's pool and there's some games, so let's hope he has fun. So it looks like a busy day here. Oh, wow. Busy day for a party. So you got your bowling shoes on? Let me see your bowling shoes. Okay. Got the table all set up. Yes, my love. Yeah, bowling. So we're just, we're going to be in these two lanes right here. We're just waiting for people to show up. We're a little early, but I'd rather be early than late. Yeah. The birthday boy. There's Grandma.
You got new shoes. You got your bowling shoes.
There's some more people coming in. Oh. Yeah. Whoa, Rogero. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Get another one. Oh, yes! Oh! Wow! Whoa! Yay! Wow! Good bowler in the Okay. Whoa. Oh, wow.
No way.
Yep.
Is he good with like haircuts? Like, I mean,
Say that again? Good job. Whoa. Oh. Rogero, say hi to Aunt Darlene. Oh, okay. Show her how to do it. Woo! Good job! Whoa! Woo! Daddy's on the phone. Woo! Okay, it's Kylie's turn first though. You gotta let Kylie go. Okay, Kylie, your turn. Whoa! Good job. Woo!
why I say? Why I say? I know. We'll link up, blessings. No problem, man. No problem. Hey, what's up? Where are you? You're welcome.
Okay, here, Daddy wants me to give you. I love you too. Okay, bye. Okay. Okay. Okay, pizza time. It's a party. Happy birthday to you. Aunt Linda. Whoa! Good job! Packing up, guys. We're gonna unbox the gifts at home. It's too much stuff. Nope. A little bit over. Whoa, Rogero, look at all your gifts.
Wow.
Whoa, are you going to start opening them?
Yeah, gifts.
Okay, start opening your gifts. This one here is from Luca and Micah. I don't know who's this one from.
That's from me.
Okay, this one's from Aunt Linda. Say thank you. No, one at a time, Papa.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, let's see.
There's another parcel in there, yeah. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Okay, let's see what this one is. Rip it open. You can do it.
One little piece. Come on.
Come on. Rip the hole in the middle.
Fingers in there like that and go like that.
Yeah, they turn over this way. See this? Oh, put your hands in right there. There you go.
Rip it open. Say thank you, Aunt Linda.
Thank you, Alan. Yeah, very welcome, Michelle.
Aunt Linda will show you how to bowl, how to open presents. Wow.
You got still sticky on your finger.
Probably gotta wash your hands.
Wait a minute. What's this? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let hold them up. Let Mommy see. Hold up one. Mommy. Here's Mommy. Look, say Mommy, I just had my bowling party.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, how are you?
Say, I'm just opening my presents. You called just at the right time.
I'm just opening presents. Hey, look, there's Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Oh, my toy. Hello, Doctor.
Listen, did you have fun bowling? Tell Mommy if you had fun bowling and Grandma.
I have fun bowling.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I love that, Richard. You're such a big boy.
Come here, listen. If you pull it off, honey, without getting it undone properly, it's going to break. Okay? So let's put this aside and Mommy will do it properly after. Say, look at my dinosaur. Whoa.
It's McQueen.
Wow. I love it, Richard. Wow.
Okay, open the rest of Aunt Linda's gift, baby. Here. Here, open the green one right there.
Okay. Do the same thing. Find it on the side where they see.
I don't know. Can you guys see? I think so. I don't know.
Let's see what's inside. What's this?
What is that? Let me see.
And that's simple.
They can-
Here, Mom. Take that.
Oh my goodness, look at the big book. Let's open up the book so we can see what it does.
Build things.
Oh my
Oh, no, you don't do that, honey. I'll have to take that back on. That's not, okay.
You gotta do gently.
You gotta do it gently, honey. Look, you gotta go like this.
Yeah, you gotta.
Gently. And then Mommy will have to read what's in there.
They do different things. They tell you different things.
Yeah, and Mommy will read it to you. Okay, you don't tear them though, all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There. I can type it.
But that was nice.
Okay, let's close it up and try something else.
There's another parcel in that bag.
Okay, go in the purple bag and get another one, Papa. In that purple bag. Yeah, that one there. Get the last one in there. That's from Aunt Linda. Yeah, get it. See what it is.
Let's see what's inside.
I wonder what it is. Turn it around. Remember how Aunt Linda showed you how to do it? Turn it around and put your... Okay, you're getting it. Whoa, more books to read at night. Oh, wow. Turn it around. Let me see. Let me see what it says. Let me see the name of it, Papa. Turn it around. Oh, wow. Another book for Mommy to read you at night. Let me see the front of it. Show me the cover. What does it say?
It's a panda.
It says, Why a Son Needs a Dad. Oh, that is so awesome.
Yeah.
Mom, let me see. Pick it up. You're going to show me what's on the front of it.
Something on the front and something on the back.
He's not worried about that. Let's see. It says Cool Kids Club. Oh, Campbell River. Cool Kids Club. Whoa.
Oh, I love it, right?
And then on the back, it says Island Life, because we live on an island. Oh, wow. Can one of you guys hold this up for me so I can get it on the camera? Oh, wow. Island Life. Turn it around. And it says Campbell River Cool Kids Club. Whoa. Okay, Raj, let's get another gift now.
Let's open this.
Yes, but listen, if you open this now, then you're not going to want to open the rest of them. Can we do this one later? Who gave him this one anyway? We don't know who gave him that, do we?
Mine might be too.
This might be from Kylie. Maybe this was from Kylie. That one. What bag did you get that one out of, honey? This one right here, right? Okay, let's see. I think that one might be from Kylie. Let's see. Let's see. It's your birthday. Let's see who it's from. Open it up this way. Look, Papa. Right there. Let's see. Oh, it's from Kylie. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. So this nice gift that you keep wanting to open is from Kylie. Okay. Here.
You get a lot of gifts, Rachiro.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay, let's read the card. Okay, so you still have, Rogero, go get that blue gift right there and open it. Look, that blue gift right there. Okay, it says, have a happy 4th birthday. You're growing fast and learning too. Yes, my love? You can open that one if you want. So, get ready for some birthday fun.
So they're kind of plain, right?
Wow, that's so nice. Say thank you to Aunt Linda.
Thank you. You're very welcome.
Okay, what's in this one? Let's see. Do you need help or you good? Excavator. What else? A motorcycle. Oh, wow. Right here, Aunt. Okay. What's that? A remote control to the robot. Take the robot out. Wow. Look, it's in the bag. It's in the bag, the blue bag. Yep. AO. And Micah and Luca. Pull it out. 2 hands. Bring it right out. 2 hands. Good job. Muscles. Use your muscles. Oh, yes. Whoa.
That's what we'll see walking down the street. They said there are going to be more robots than you.
Whoa. That's a cool. Wow. Awesome.
Roger, Mommy's talking to her.
Hi, Jay.
Oh, it went away.
What's the answer for this now? White cookie. Come on, cookie.
That's Uncle.
Okay, Mommy will help you with that later. How about you put the robot over by there and I help you open some more gifts?
Why did you gifts now? My phone is.
Oh, another book.
Mom.
Yes,
Huh?
I know. No. Calm down.
Invader.
Invader. Okay, put it over here with the rest of your books, my love.
Oh.
Mommy's going to read them to you at night. We got lots of books to read now. Whoa.
Oh.
Rogero, Mom, are you saying hi to Auntie?
That's his grandmother.
Rogero.
Say hi to your auntie.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Talk to her, Rogero.
Oh, gosh. He's so excited with all the presents. Hi.
I can see that.
Okay, honey, you got more gifts to open. You got all the ones out of here? Okay, there's still more in there.
That's a lot of toys.
Oh, sneakers. Wow, you got lots of shoes this birthday.
I have one of those shoes for Jay.
Oh, nice. And a card. They made you a card. That is so nice. And a fire truck. Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 more gifts. Come on. You got 4 more gifts, baby. 4 more. Oh, and there's still more in here. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, more books. That's good. Let me see the front of that one. Let me.
Rogero, you're so tall.
Yeah.
But you're tall.
Another book. Whoa. Lots of books for Mommy to read you at night. And a coloring book. Whoa. When you see Micah and Luca at church, you're going to have to say thank you, right? Again? Okay, you still got more gifts to open though. Mommy and Daddy.
I'm going to get this one.
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh, the dinosaur game. Okay. And what's the other thing in there?
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah, we can open that later, honey. Let's look what else is in the box, because you still got Sissy's gift and Grandma Sharon's and Aunt Darlene's. Oh my gosh, you got so many presents. Can you take it out? Tip it upside down, see. Oh, it's building, what is it called? Magnetic tiles. We'll play them later though, okay?
Yeah.
We're going to do them later. You can build all kinds of stuff with them. They're magnets and they're colorful tiles. Yeah, that's it, Papa. Okay, you want to open that? Okay, that you can open that one. Whose gift is this? Grandma?
There's your card.
Sure.
That one's from me.
No, but this one here. Is that from Grandma? So this is from Grandma Sharon. Now we're just unboxing, and then we can unbox the unboxes later, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. You got to get the rest of the stuff that Grandma got you.
Oh, there you are. Okay. We've got 3 phones going here at the same time.
Rogero, honey. Daddy's on that phone.
Say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, look at this. Yeah.
Can you open the rest of Grandma Sharon's gift? Okay, come over. Everything in there that says make a wish. Let's open. You can play with all of these toys for the rest of your life if you want. But right now, we just need to open these. No, wait for Sissy.
Right there.
The blue bag.
That one.
Yeah.
Open those.
All of those are yours. Let's see what they all are. Whoa. A coat. Who's on it? Who's on the coat? Who's on that? Is that McQueen? Look and see if it's a McQueen on there. Look at the picture on there. I think it's McQueen. Is that McQueen coat?
Come in here. We'll try it on. Come.
Come try it on and see.
Come. Nice. And you can show Mommy on the phone.
Is it like a raincoat?
No.
Here, Jeremy.
Oh, you look so nice and red.
That's so nice. It is pretty nice. Beautiful. Look at that. There you go. It is pretty nice.
Let Grandma Sharon do it up and see. Let's do it up and see. That's Lightning McQueen.
Too big, I'll tell you.
What size is it, Sharon?
6.
Wow.
There. Big nice up there. Oh my goodness. You have to wear it lots because I'm not going to wear it long. Hold on.
Take it back and you
Stay still. Where to work for what, or where to school or
It's,
daycare, whatever.
yeah. Okay, you can take it off now. It's going to be too hot in here. I just wanted to see if it fit you, that's all. Oh, don't rip it, babe. Just, yeah. Unzip it. Good job.
Got it?
No, don't rip it, honey. Do not rip it.
It's all the way down.
There you go. Okay, take it off. Say thank you to Grandma.
Thank you.
Grandma Sharon. Grandma Sharon.
Grandma Sherry. You're welcome.
And Darlene and Aunt Linda. Okay, come see what else Grandma Sharon got you in the bag. Come see.
What else is in the bag? Go see.
Go see what else is in the bag. Go see. Oh my goodness, you got so many presents. I wonder what's inside.
I wonder.
I think it's another book.
Oh. Oh, wow, Rogero. That's so awesome.
You can draw what's in the book.
Say thank you, Grandma Sharon.
Thank you, Grandma Sherry.
So cute.
Oh, wow. What else is in the bag? Let's see. That's shorts. Oh, you need some shorts for the summer. Whoa. That's good. Let's see the car. I didn't even see the car that Grandma got you. That's a cool car. Oh my goodness. What is this now?
Oh, it's a monster. Hey.
Must have icing on his fingers.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
More clothes.
More clothes for Rogero.
Hey, look. Oh, wow.
Let's see. Oh, isn't that pretty? Josh's pants. Some more t-shirts.
Wow, you got lots of clothes. Nice hoodie. Okay, Rogero, you still have more.
There's a card in there.
There's a card, and then you got to open up Sissy's gift. I know you're going to like Sissy's gift. Yeah, Sissy and Evan. Sissy and Evan got you that big one. Jess, you going to come out for him to open that? Okay, open the gift from Sissy and Evan. Did he finish the one your one? I wonder.
Just the card in there.
Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness, Rogero. Wow, Mommy and Sissy are going to have to help you with all of that.
I don't believe it.
What do you say to Sissy and Evan?
Thank you.
Go give them a hug. I think they deserve a big hug for that. Everybody does. Everybody deserves a big... Go hug everybody and say thank you to everybody, please. Hugs, everybody. Thank you, Sissy. Thank you, Evan. Thank you, Aunt Darlene.
You're welcome.
Hugs. Give everybody hugs.
Blessed kid. I can tell you that.
Give everybody... Rogero, honey. Give everybody hugs and say thank you, please.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oh my goodness.
Okay, give Aunt Darlene a hug, too. Don't you forget Aunt Darlene.
Go give Aunt Darlene a hug.
Come here.
Okay, come give Mommy a hug. Love you.
There you go. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rogero. Happy birthday to you. And many more. And this is the aftermath of the unboxing. This is what Grandma Sharon got him. Oh my God. Well, once we undo these, it's like, whoa, he's going to want to play with all of this stuff. And this is a card. Okay, so this is it. So guys, after a long day and a good day, this little one is sleeping. So he had a good 4th birthday party. Akeen will be home soon. So we just want to say thank you for watching, everyone. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you all. We love you all. Blessings. Till the next time. Good night.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?